22. LR pistols, cherished for their affordability, low recoil, and versatility, are a staple in the firearms world. Ideal for beginners and seasoned shooters alike, these handguns excel in target shooting, plinking, and small game hunting. Popular models like the Ruger Mark IV and Browning Buck Mark are lauded for their accuracy and reliability, offering precise performance in a compact package. The Smith Wesson SW22 Victory and the Walther P22 also stand out for their ergonomic designs and user-friendly controls. With their accessible price points and enjoyable shooting experience, 22 LR pistols remain a perennial favorite among gun enthusiasts. Now let's get started. Number 9. FN502 Tactical. This Dog 22 LR powerhouse caters to target shooters and trainers seeking a feature-rich pistol at an accessible price. Built on a lightweight polymer frame, it boasts superior ergonomics for comfortable handling. The FN502 Tactical's claim to fame is its ingenious design. The slide is milled to seamlessly accept red dot sights, allowing for faster target acquisition and improved accuracy. The threaded barrel is suppressor-ready, making it ideal for low-noise target practice or introducing new shooters to firearms. Rounding out the package are suppressor height sights for co-witnessing with a red dot, a loaded chamber indicator for safety awareness, and ambidextrous controls for easy manipulation by left or right-handed shooters. The FN502 Tactical establishes itself as a versatile rimfire pistol, perfect for target practice, plinking, and high-volume training sessions. Number 8. Kel-Tec CP33. This rimfire powerhouse is ideal for plinkers, target shooters, and budget-minded enthusiasts seeking a fun and practical firearm. Despite its polymer construction, the CP33 maintains a lightweight design for comfortable handling during long shooting sessions. A Picatinny rail and M-lock slot on the dust cover allow for customization with red dot sights, lasers, or bipods. The CP33 boasts a reputation for dependable accuracy, making it a great option for target practice or small game hunting. The threaded barrel on some models accepts suppressor attachments for quieter shooting, adding to the versatility of this unique pistol. With its high magazine capacity, user-friendly design, and budget-friendly price tag, the Kel-Tec CP33 offers a unique blend of features that cater to a variety of shooting interests. Number 7. Walther WMP stands out as a feature-rich option for Magnum rimfire enthusiasts. Chambered for the powerful 22 WMR cartridge, it boasts a remarkable 15+1 round magazine capacity, ensuring fewer reloads and more time focused on target acquisition or small game hunting. The WMP prioritizes control and handling with its textured grip and ambidextrous features, including dual magazine releases and a reversible safety switch. Unlike many rimfire pistols, the WMP is optics-ready, featuring pre-installed plates for mounting red dot sights for improved precision. The sights themselves are adjustable for windage and elevation, allowing for fine-tuning accuracy. For added reliability, the WMP incorporates a stepped chamber design that enhances performance even with dirty ammunition. This combination of firepower, ergonomic design, and optics compatibility makes the Walther WMP a compelling choice for Magnum rimfire enthusiasts. Number 6. CZ75 Cadet 22LR. A full-size dedicated 22 LR pistol based on the popular CZ75 platform. This offered shooters the familiar handling and ergonomics of the CZ75 in a low recoiling rimfire caliber, perfect for target practice, plinking, or introducing new shooters to the platform. The Cadet featured an all-steel construction for reliable operation and a weight that mirrored the centerfire CZ75, allowing for a smooth transition between calibers. It came with adjustable rear sights for precise targeting and used readily available CZ75 magazines, eliminating the need for additional purchases. While no longer in production, the CZ75 Cadet remains a sought-after option for those who prioritize a full-sized rimfire version of the iconic CZ75 pistol. Number 5. Sig Sauer P322 is a rimfire pistol designed to be the most advanced in its class. Chambered for the 22 LR cartridge, it boasts an unmatched 20+1 round capacity, giving you more shooting time and less reloading. The P322 is optics-ready with a removable rear sight plate, allowing for easy installation of red dot sights for improved target acquisition. Suppressor enthusiasts will appreciate the threaded barrel adapter included right out of the box. Shooters of all preferences are catered to with interchangeable flat and curved trigger options, ambidextrous controls, and a reversible magazine catch. Safety is paramount, with the P322 featuring a completely enclosed hammer and a fiber optic front sight for clear sight picture in various lighting conditions. With its combination of high-capacity, user-configurable ergonomics and optics compatibility, the Sig Sauer P322 sets a new standard for rimfire pistols. Number 4. Taurus TX22 Compact, a highly concealable and feature-rich rimfire option. Chambered for the 22 LR cartridge, it offers a reliable 13-round magazine capacity, perfect for plinking, target practice, or small game hunting. Despite its compact size, the TX22 Compact prioritizes comfort and shootability with a striker-fired action for a smooth trigger pull and a Taurus performance trigger system for crisp breaks. The TX22 Compact caters to the modern shooter by being optics ready from the factory, allowing for the addition of red dot sights for enhanced precision. The lightweight polymer frame keeps the pistol maneuverable, while the alloy steel barrel boasts threaded capabilities for attaching suppressors, sold separately for quieter shooting. This combination of features, affordability, and a size ideal for concealed carry makes the Taurus TX22 Compact a compelling choice for rimfire enthusiasts. Number 3. Colt King Cobra Target is a revolver reborn for target shooting enthusiasts, offering a balance of precision and heritage. Available in both 357 Magnum and 22 LR calibers, it caters to shooters seeking powerful double-action capability or low recoiling target practice. The King Cobra Target's defining feature is its 4-inch or 6-inch ventilated rib barrel, promoting faster cooling and reducing muzzle rise. This focus on accuracy extends to the adjustable rear sight and target-grade front sight, enabling fine-tuning for exceptional shot placement. The stainless steel construction ensures durability, while the classic Colt D-frame boasts a comfortable grip size suitable for a variety of hand sizes. Whether you crave the power of the 357 Magnum for target practice, or prefer the affordability and low recoil of the 22 LR for competition or plinking, the Colt King Cobra Target delivers a refined shooting experience wrapped in a timeless design. Number 2. Ruger Mark IV offers a wide array of options for target shooters, plinkers, and competition enthusiasts alike. Chambered for the 22 LR cartridge, it boasts legendary Ruger reliability and exceptional accuracy at an attractive price point. The Mark IV features a simple one-button takedown system for effortless cleaning and maintenance. Several variations exist, with options for lightweight aluminum or steel receivers, target sights, threaded barrels for suppressors, and ergonomic grips for improved handling. Some models even include Picatinny rails for mounting red dot sights or lasers for further customization. This combination of modularity, affordability, and legendary Ruger craftsmanship makes the Mark IV series a versatile and dependable choice for anyone seeking a rimfire pistol for competition, recreational shooting, or small game hunting. Number 1. Browning Buck Mark. As a target pistol known for its accuracy and user-friendliness. Chambered for the 22 LR cartridge, it's a favorite among competition shooters and casual plinkers alike. The Buck Mark boasts a lightweight aluminum frame for comfortable handling during extended shooting sessions. A key feature is the Buck Mark's innovative Volquartsen sear system, renowned for its crisp trigger pull that allows for precise shot placement. Several variations exist, offering barrel lengths, sight configurations, and grip styles to cater to individual preferences. Some models come threaded for suppressor attachments, while others sport Picatinny rails for mounting red dot sights or lasers. This combination of exceptional accuracy, user-configurable features, and a legacy of Browning quality makes the Buck Mark a timeless option for rimfire enthusiasts.